may go down in the record books. We're throwing the word historic around, and I just want to show you the top 5 snowfalls for Boston when you look back at all the data since the 1800s. And you know, the records go back here, and you can see 2003 we had 27.5 inches of snow. Of course, the blizzard of 78. But once you get to that 2-foot threshold, last time we saw that was during the blizzard back in 2013. We are going to be in this range with this particular storm coming at us. And the problem is, it's not just heavy snow, it is also the wind, which is going to reduce the visibility, and that's going to create the blizzard conditions, and that is why this is going to be a blizzard, and we have the blizzard warnings up here for the eastern half of our state, starting at 7 o'clock this evening right through 1 a.m. on Wednesday. Now, the snow is going to be very heavy northern Worcester County out through the western part of the state as well, but the winds may not be quite as strong. Nonetheless, you've got a winter storm warning up for that same time period. The steady snow gets started this evening by about 7 p.m. You want to be off the road. You want to be hunkered down. Height of the storm, 2 o'clock overnight tonight through 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. During that time, at times, the snow will be falling at a rate of 2 to 4 inches per hour, and that's why it's really going to pile up. Now, you can see right here, there is some snow moving into New York City. It doesn't look like a whole lot. We've got that system waiting for this energy back here. These are going to get together off our coastline and really start to explode. And all the while, we've got cold high pressure to the north draining down the cold air. Look at this. It's sub-zero right now north of the border. Boston is 12, single digits right now. Worcester on up through the North Shore and into southern New Hampshire. It's going to be a cold day. Just the cloud cover out there now. Look for cloud cover throughout the day and a few snow showers. Look at the temperatures coming up into the 20s to around the freezing mark on Cape Cod. So here's the timeline. A couple of snow showers may get going today. These are ocean effect snow bands, but by about 5, 6, 7 o'clock this evening, here comes the steadier snow. Initially, it is light, but by 2 a.m., notice how these dark blue bands start showing up. This is the intense snowfall at that rate of 2 to maybe up to 4 inches per hour, right through about 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And then thereafter, it's still snowing tomorrow, right through the evening hours, but the intensity begins to wane, and then it finally starts to taper off as we head toward the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday morning. And when it's all said and done, we're talking about that widespread 1.5 to 2 feet of snow, but locally there will be spots that do get more than 2 feet of snow across the area. So that's the snow, the timing. Let's talk about the winds, and to do that, we're going to toss it on over to Danielle.
Thanks, Cindy. Yes, the winds, like you said, becoming very critical around 2 o'clock in the morning till 2 p.m. That's where we're going to experience the heaviest wind as well as the heaviest snow. And what we're looking at Chatham, well, you can see these are sustained winds. Sustained winds of 40 miles per hour on Chatham beginning overnight into tomorrow afternoon. And wind gusts could be around 80 miles per hour there. So we are talking about hurricane force winds. There's that high wind warning in effect for Nantucket. Also, Boston wind speeds will be sustained at 35 miles per hour. And you can expect wind gusts upwards of 65 to even 75 miles per hour during the height of the storm. The concern with this also, that northeast wind going to pile up that ocean water, and because of that, we do have the coastal flood warning in effect for the high tide beginning at 4:27 tomorrow morning. There could be moderate flooding and pockets of major flooding. In case you're wondering what that means, moderate flooding means you could see some roads being washed out and even closed because of the water coming in. Also, with major flooding, we're talking about the potential for structural damage. So it's definitely something to be concerned with. Now, with the extended 7-day forecast, let's send it back over to Cindy.
Danielle, because you're probably wondering what comes after this storm. Well, we are going to be watching things for you pretty closely. Looks like this storm winds down as we head toward Wednesday afternoon, and behind it we do get a day break in the action. Looks pretty quiet as we head toward a Thursday, and then beyond that there's going to be another weak system coming on in. You can see it here. The emphasis here is weak. It looks like late Thursday, maybe Thursday night into Friday. A little bit more snow coming. That would be gone by the upcoming weekend. So really all eyes are on our developing blizzard here. Conditions really start to deteriorate by this evening, with the worst of the storm coming in overnight through about midday or early afternoon tomorrow. So you want to be off the roads by then.